Good morning, fam. Sorry, I just woke up. I look like a mess, but I had to show you guys this amazing view we have this morning. The clouds are literally under us right now. And let's go ahead and show you guys a better look. Guys, I'm really truly blessed to be able to see this in the morning. It's really beautiful. So the first thing I need to get done today is I need to get my Rapide, my Aston Martin, washed because it's pretty dusty outside and the cars tend to get dustier than usual, especially during winter. And for some reason this winter we did not get any rain at all, which is crazy. It's rained a lot last year. And I can't believe we didn't get any rain this year. And it doesn't look like we're gonna get it anytime soon too. So let's go ahead and get the car washed really quick. And now for the toughest decision of the day. What sneaker to wear? I think I need to wear my Fire Red 4s. Ouch, that didn't work. Let's try it again. There we go. But first, quick stop at our mini market. You can't really see much on camera, but because the car is gray, it doesn't really show, but it's really dusty. And again, another not allowed. So basically, I tried to video my car getting washed. They told me it's not allowed. I really don't know what I'm allowed to film here in Dubai, but I totally respect the rule and stopped when they told me. We are almost done with the wash. They're just drying out the outside so I can vlog on the inside. That's fine, I believe. But yeah, once we get back home, I have a package I want to show you guys, which is pretty cool. I'm unboxing a really rare Nike Dunk. So don't leave this video. You guys will see a really rare sneaker in a bit. Nice and clean, and we're off back home. home nice and clean. So I went ahead and opened up the package just to make sure the sneaker arrived safely. Now let's get it to the sneaker room and get it unboxed. So we are back in the stew, and as you can tell, this box is a little beat up just because this is actually a sneaker from 2010. Yes, it is that old, and that makes it very rare to find these days. Let's go ahead and open up and show you guys what's inside this box. Some of you might already know what it is just because of seeing the Nike ID box, because you don't get a lot of rare sneakers like these. Right here in the box we have the Nike Dunk Dubai exclusive. So the story behind this is this sneaker was actually given to the team of Nike in Austria, Germany and Switzerland. So they actually won a competition here in Dubai, I believe, and because they won the Dubai competition, they were gifted these pairs. So these never came out to the public, but I honestly think if these actually released back in the day, they would have sold out really quick. Now it's really hard to find a really nice clean pair like this, and it took me a while. Huge thanks to the homie that hooked it up. Honestly, thanks for hitting me up and letting me know you have this pair and we were willing to sell it to me. I really appreciate the deal and the extra care in the shipping. Now let's go ahead and show you guys a quick detail of this sneaker. The Dubai exclusive Dunks, this is actually one of the rarest ones just because this is a sample pair. So it did come with a sample sticker on the box. The rest I believe didn't come with a sample sticker because he mentioned to me that he had two pairs. One of them was a sample and one of them was regular. He asked me, which one do you want? I said the sample, please. Yeah, so thank you so much for the hookup. You know who you are. I really appreciate it. Beautiful sneaker. You guys already know it. I'm gonna be displaying these sneakers next to these. The two Dubai exclusive, the SB and the Dunk. Two beautiful sneakers and very lucky to have them in my collection. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please smash the like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. I look forward to seeing you guys very soon.